So we are looking at a GVP, I believe it's a hair straightener. And I don't know if you can read it in there. Maybe I can zoom in on that. Let's see here. It is a model 264849 and 110 volts, 40 watts. And if you look at this side, you can see the controls. It's got an on and an off, and it's got a temperature sensor setting from 180 to 450. And I'm here to tell you that this thing is way hotter than that, or at least it only has pretty much one setting. So here's a temperature sensor. I'm going to put this inside the thing here where one's hair would go, and then I'm going to clamp it shut. Not too hard, just enough to keep the temperature sensor in there. Let's see here. Just doesn't want to stay in there. Okay, just enough to keep the sensor in there. Actually, I'm going to turn that around so it'll stand up. All right, like that. And I'm going to use that to kind of counterbalance it there. All right, so the temperature sensor in there, and I had it on a minute ago and I let it cool down, so it's showing a little warmer than ambient temperature. But I'm going to set it to the lowest setting, and then I'm going to turn it on and watch that temperature go. Remember, the lowest setting should be 180 degrees Fahrenheit. There's 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is on its lowest setting of 180 Fahrenheit. That's on the lowest setting it'll go there. So you can see it's 400 degrees, 420, 430 on its lowest setting. Like if you set that to the low setting thinking you weren't going to do much to your hair, you would be sadly mistaken. That's 450 on the lowest setting. Now if I crank it up to the high setting, which again was only supposed to be 450, it doesn't seem to be doing much difference. Doesn't seem to be controlling it very much. Looks like it's on all the time. So I wouldn't recommend this GVP hair straightener because at best it's just malfunctioning. At worst, this is the normal behavior.